So it is your last chance to enter the biggest giveaway we've ever had on this channel, guys. $1,500 dream shoe giveaway, and it is actually the last day to enter. So if you guys didn't enter, feel free to enter, put in that last entry. Basically, all you need to do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter and Instagram at UntiedHawaii, and then also on this video over here, boom, comment on that video and let me know what your dream sneaker would be and what your size is. Also with your social media handle so I know how to get in contact with you. Any dream sneaker up to $1,500, guys. It's expensive, it's a lot of money, but December is here, Christmas season is here, season of giving, so I wanted to do what I can for you guys, and you guys have made this a great year for me, so hoping to make this a great year for at least one of you guys. Anyway, we have a beater box for you guys from Soul Supremacy. You guys know what it is, $13.25. Let's get into it. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a $13.25 Soul Supremacy beater box, guys. Sneaker mystery box. Basically a huge box, as you guys can see, this thing is huge, of mystery sneakers in used and new condition. This is the series that we do every single Friday. Let's open it up and see what we got. You wanna say hi? Come on. Yay, Lila's here. Hey Lila. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I gotta open boxes now. I gotta open a box. Sorry, that's Delilah. But yeah, we have a box over here. I forgot to mention that if you guys don't know who Soul Supremacy is, they are a shop out in the Bay Area of California, and they specialize in selling sneakers. So Soul Supremacy, guys, we've been rocking with them for like multiple years now. Best beater boxes in the game. Check them out. I'll link them in the description as well. First things first, we have a pair of Jordan 12 Masters, it looks like. Very nice Jordan 12. Honestly, one of the best colorways, if not the best colorway in my opinion. And as we were mentioning about used sneakers, this one is a size 11.5 and it is very worn. Like, check this thing out. Look at how worn this sneaker is. That leather over the toe box is insanely destroyed. Also, you guys can see some scratches over here. Rest of the shoe just looks kind of beat up. Laces are frayed. Bottoms, there's even a rock over here. So, I mean, it's a pretty beat up shoe, but again, if you guys want to save money and you guys want to look good in a pair of Masters, this one's probably going for a lot less than what it would be brand new. So, gotta do what you gotta do. Just clean it up with Rejuvenator or something, man. Use code UNTIED, and you guys are good to go. Next sneaker out is a pair of Asics. This one is a Gel Light 3 and a size 9. Okay. Ooh, interesting. It is a pair of dead stock Asics, thankfully. Asics not very hyped, as you guys know, but still a very solid sneaker. And honestly, the Gel Light 3 is one of my favorite sneakers they are, just because it's very comfortable and I think it's actually kind of stylish looking. Like, when you guys check this out, it is a solid sneaker. I think this one is, oh, it's actually a collab with Reigning Champ, so that is a pretty cool thing right here. Probably why it has like an all gray tone, because RC Reigning Champ is actually known for like those kinds of tones. This is a really nice one. Actually, if this was in my size, I probably would have kept this because it is a nice design, but unfortunately not. So if you guys are gonna buy this one, then you can check that out at untiedhawaii.com. I put all the sneakers in these boxes up on that website. If you guys don't see the sneakers there, it's probably already been sold, guys, so sorry, but if you guys don't come to the videos quick, you guys won't get the deals. Anyway, that will be on there, untiedhawaii.com. All right, and we have a Human Race box. This one is a size 9.5, and we have the blue pair, I guess. I'm not really sure how these names are for the inspiration pack, man. Like, the Human Race series before used to be so hype, and now they're just not hype anymore, so I haven't really been paying attention, but this is the blue one. Human Race inspiration, does have some kind of kanji up here. Also, the yellow rope laces are kind of nice, but it's not a very clean sneaker in terms of design. A lot of people are not liking like the color palettes on this, and honestly, like, it's just not something that a lot of people are looking for now these days. This one was worn though, so it's probably going for like maybe a little over $100. I know dead stock they're going for barely like retail, so it's a tough shoe. It's a tough shoe to move, but I mean, it is still a very comfortable sneaker. Boost technology, some of the best comfort there are in shoes, guys. So if you guys need this one, they will be going for the cheap. Okay, and so this is a sneaker I can get behind, guys. This is the Jordan 1 DMP pack, half of it at least. And we have one of the best colorways ever made on a Jordan 1, the DMP greens. Now, these are fire sneakers. I'm not sure what size they are. Size 12.5, that's a random size, but yeah. Obviously one of the best sneaker designs, guys. DMP pack, check this thing out. This one is pretty worn. You guys can see the leather is pretty creased back here on the back heel. Also heavy toe box creasing over the top. Overall pretty dirty, but I mean, again, if we just throw some Rejuvenator on this, it'll probably bring it back to at least suitable conditions for like sales and stuff. So this is another clean shoe right here. DMP green, I honestly feel like this is one of my favorite sneakers. I had this for a very, very long time until the Jordan 1 Pine Greens came out, but until that, this was the only like green Jordan 1 there was. So very nice shoe right here, a lot of nostalgia for me personally. Hopefully this goes to a good home, size 12.5. So a couple more in here. This is a box I've never seen before. This one is a Jordan 12 in a size 10.5, and I think I know what this one is. Ooh, nice. I didn't realize the box looks like this. This is cool. But this is a pair of the Chinese New Year's or CNY Jordan 12s. You guys can see it does have like a kind of like China theme on it with this kanji up here. Also has these nice patterns running throughout the shoe, and the color palette is really nice. You guys have that like hits of gold over here, also that black and the white, making it a very functional shoe to use. Definitely worn though. You guys can see some slight creasing back here too. That's gonna take a hit to the value, but overall, man, I mean, they're still Jordans, and at the end of the day, they go for a lot of money because they're Jordans. So this one is a nice one right here, size 10.5. Oh man, and we have a random shoe box in here, guys. It's not every day you get a pair of Under Armour sneakers in a mystery box, but I mean, here it is. The Curry 4, size 10. Gosh, one of the grossest sneakers I've ever seen, man. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate from the Warriors fans, but honestly, guys, like, this is not that nice of a shoe. It looks like, I don't know, just like a bargain bin kind of shoe. I don't like this. It doesn't look clean at all. If you guys want to look at it close up, this is the Curry 4, I guess, and it's a high top sneaker, so maybe it's good for performance, but because it's Under Armour, I'm not sure. Color palette is cool. I mean, it has a black, red, and gold, which is nice, but this thing just feels very, very cheap. Like, if you guys could feel through the screen what this feels like, it doesn't feel good at all. It feels like it's gonna break easy, and even though it's a high top, the ankle support here, it doesn't seem like it's stiff enough to like do anything. So I'm kind of confused on this design, but it's not for me. This is made for people that like Curry, I guess. So if you guys want this one, that will be there on the website as well. All right, 2 shoes left. This one is a small Yeezy 350 box. Ooh, size 4, so very, very small. It looks like Soul was trying to sell these for 300 bucks. Not sure if that's the going rate, but I mean, possibly. These are a really good shoe, and in a base size 4, they actually go for a good amount. This one does look like it is almost dead stock, I would say. Does look like it was slightly worn over here, but that boost is so darn white, it's hard to say. The other shoe looks about the same too, so that's unfortunate that it was like try it on or worn once, but it is what it is. If you guys want this one, this will be going for very, very cheap. I actually copped this shoe for my girlfriend a while back, and she loves this colorway. So if you guys are looking for a good present for Bay or something, this is probably a good option, guys. And so for the last shoe in the box, we actually have an off-white box here, and this one is a size 9. Okay, so it's just this white pair of vapormaxes. Interesting. This is probably one of the ones that I don't like from the Off-White series. Like, if I could choose any of the shoes from the Off-White line, the Vapormax is probably like the ones that I like the least. I don't know, I'm just not a big fan of like Vapormax technology, and when these things are worn, man, like, they look like they are heavily worn. Like, you can wear it one time and they'll look like this. Like, that's just how it goes. Also, in terms of comfort, just not for me, but a lot of people like these shoes, so I can't bash it too much. You guys can see it has a zip tie on here. Overall, the uppers look pretty clean. Bottoms, like I said, get dirty quick, and that air bubble gets like discolored really fast as well. To each their own, so if you guys want to cop this one, that one will be on the site as well. Does look like it comes with extra laces, and other shoe looks fine too. So good value here, guys. I mean, it's Off-White. You guys know you're gonna get some money there, and for $13.75 in a mystery box, this is pretty good value. So that is actually it for this box. Quick and easy. Overall impressions, I feel like we did okay on this one. $13.75, you're not expecting like huge bangers, but I mean, we got an Off-White, a Yeezy, a couple Jordans in there, so I feel like the value is there. And we also got those Currys, which hopefully I can get rid of so they don't need to be here. But if you guys are going to check any of those out, go to untiedhawaii.com. They will be going for the low prices on there. If you guys are channel members, you guys can actually save $10 per order. Don't forget to use your channel member code, guys. That's what it's there for. And if you guys want to sign up for channel memberships, check out that join button under the video. Very nice steals and deals there, and secret drop opportunities as well for sneakers. So you guys can see all of that in the channel member preview video when you click join. Anyway, guys, next week should be Christmas when this video launches, so Merry Christmas in advance to you guys. Happy holidays, whatever you guys are celebrating, wherever you guys are celebrating. Just want to let you guys know that as Untied Hawaii, as Bryson, I just want to say thank you, and I'm so grateful for you guys for watching these videos and for just following along this year. I know Christmas is a time to be celebrating like family and stuff, and you guys are honestly ohana to me. You guys are family, you guys are part of my ohana, and I just want to say thank you to you guys, and I appreciate you. So on this holiday season, Thank you guys so much. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and I will see you guys next week for the next beater box. So stay tuned, that will be coming up, guys. Until then though, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and again, happy holidays. I will see you guys. Aloha. Shoots.